Hi. Okay. It's me in my closet here with the kitties. It's going to take some learning to figure this out. I am just vlogging now on my giant DSLR Nikon, and we're going to see how that goes. But the start to my week is really on Sunday night. I'm going to shower here, and then I like to lay out all of my clothes for the entire week. So workout clothes and actual day clothes. And then I occasionally change my mind, but that really helps my morning get going. I find that if I don't do that, I waste like 20 minutes just in my closet every morning, deciding between the 3 outfits I'm probably going to wear. It shouldn't be that complicated, but I make it that complicated and I waste a lot of time. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Please. Oh. Jarvis. Jarvis? Every few months I go through and I do a plant cleanup day, especially at the beginning and end of summer. And clearly some of my plants need a different home or a different spot or more light or something. So this is a chance to just reevaluate what's going on here, because this is not working for my euphorbias. This situation, this one's not looking great. It's not like they're dying, they're just not living up to their potential, you know? So I want to kind of see where my euphorbia is in terms of my moisture meter. I did water it this morning, which was probably dumb because then I don't get a true read on where it was, but I'm thinking it's still dry and that's partly why it's losing leaves. Okay, if it's dry and on a 1 after I watered it this morning, then I've apparently been neglecting this a little bit. It's so hard to tell because it's in a closed pot, just a single pot, and I am not always sure if I'm drowning it. And the solution to that, by the way, is this friend right here, my trusty moisture meter. I am just sometimes too lazy or in too much of a hurry to actually use it. Okay, can we also take a second to talk about this string of pearls that I have now kept alive for many months? I don't remember when I got this, but I do know that I killed my first one. And if you've had a string of pearls, I think you understand what an accomplishment this is. I'm thinking though, it's on the windowsill right now and it's fine. It's doing okay, but it's got some of these gaps along the strings, and it's just like resting on the windowsill like this. I think this one needs to be a hanging plant, and I think I want to put it right up here. If I hang it up here and it trails down here, I think that would be good, unless it gets too much sun. But then maybe over here. There's potential in here somewhere. Okay, we're gonna take a quick break from plant cleaning and do some laundry. I am physically incapable of getting all my laundry done in one day. And it really just needs to happen today. I am super excited because we ordered new sheets for our bed, and the ones that we have now are fine, but the bottom sheet, the fitted sheet, just wore a hole through it the last time I washed it. Obviously not gonna work. And I've been wanting to try some higher quality sheets anyway, so this felt like the right time. Ordered some sheets that came in yesterday, so I want to put them on our bed today. Am I supposed to wash those first? That feels like a thing that you should wash first. I should look at those. I'm making a list as I go through here because, for example, my orchids seem to love me no matter what I do, but they honestly shouldn't. So this one, for example, has some roots that are starting to look less healthy through the sides, and there's a lot of just kind of gapping around the roots here that I'd like to fix. But I don't necessarily want to do that right this second, so I am going to just put it on the list. And I think there are going to be several of those today, where they just need to go on a list and be taken care of another day. Okay, I got this new dish rack thing recently for just drying my dishes, and it's turning out to work really well to just drain plants after I give them a really good soak. Okay, this plant is one that I just don't understand. Like, it just goes back and forth. I nearly kill it, and then I bring it back and it looks happy. And then I nearly kill it, and the cycle just keeps continuing. And every time I think it's because I'm overwatering it, so then I leave it alone and it gets happy. I don't know. I feel like it gets happy for a while if I water it, and then it starts to die. So then I stop watering it and it gets happy for a while, and then it starts to die. And I don't know. Does it want water or not? I need it to make up its mind. So one of the reasons that we picked this is because it's made out of tencel, which I've never felt before. I'm hoping I like it. It's made out of eucalyptus fibers, and it's a sustainable fabric. It feels very silky soft. I like it, but this is very different. Then we got a gray duvet cover, and I was a little skeptical about ordering sheets online, but the return policy just says that they have to be in good enough condition to donate, which I like, that they're not just going to go back and go in the trash if we end up not liking them. Jarvis. Jarvis. I'm tired. Ooh. Hamilton. Hamilton. Hi, Hamilton. Alright, so I'm looking at my Hoya right now because it is sending out a super long vine that doesn't have leaves. And I'm pretty sure once that vine finds light, it'll start sending out leaves again. But I don't just want a massive, it's like 5 feet long right now. I don't need a 5-foot vine with no leaves. So I'm trying to figure out if I should trim it or move it to more light, or still learning Hoyas. And then the next question is, do I hang it or trellis it? Yes. Okay, either one is fine. So I need to do something with it. So my Hoya is back here on this table, but it is vining up behind this philodendron, and then it comes all the way out here. So that needs to either hang down from somewhere up high or climb something. I would like to be able to straighten this situation. I don't know if I can do that without just a full repot though. I also don't understand what's going on down here. It looks super healthy, but like also rotting at the same time. I think it has almost no roots. I'm so confused. Hi, Travis. Hello, kitty. Would you stop rubbing my tripod? The cats have been using this fountain, had been using this fountain upstairs, and they decided that it's stupid and they don't like it and don't need it and will never drink from it again. So I decided to try it somewhere else, and I think we're gonna try it back here, because we figured if it's running, it may as well be providing some humidity for plants, and we'll see if anybody is interested in actually using it or not. What do you think, Hamilton? Hamilton, we are not going outside. That's not happening. Alright, there it is, for better or worse. We'll see if they use it. Hamilton, why are you running around yelling? Huh? What do you have to say for yourself? You guys, it's working. Atlas used to have a problem of licking her sheets and pillows. And we were afraid that because these are so nice that he might want to lick them. But you went 2 whole minutes without Mama in here. And I don't think you licked. You good boy.